So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable the location services on your OnePlus 13. So the location services allows your phone to access your location to do multiple things, such as setting the time zone automatically, enabling or disabling Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning, allowing your camera app to access the location so that it can add it to any photos that you take if you have that feature enabled, and all sorts of things. So if you want to learn how to turn it on or off, then this is what you need to do. Start by opening the Settings app, and in Settings, you want to scroll and select the option Location. Under Location, you should see Use Location with a toggle next to it. So the first step, if you want to turn it off, is to simply just tap on the toggle and it will be turned off. With it disabled, you should notice that all the services that normally use your location have now disappeared, which means that they've also been turned off. And so now whenever you go to take photos, and if you have the location added, so if the location tags are added, then the photo will no longer have the tags. And you'll notice that if you try to tap on Add Location Tags, it will tell you to enable the location permissions before you do this. And so what you need to do is just go back to Use Location and tap on the toggle to turn it on. And then now all the services that were using your location have been re-enabled. Then you can scroll down and you can customize them even further. So it's up to you to decide how you want to enable or disable this location service on your OnePlus 13. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.